Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Today we're here at TMC at 181 East Houston Street in Manhattan, New York, and I have two things to show you from one single line. If you haven't heard of Corkcicle, they make coffee mugs, they make water bottles, and they're all double and triple insulated. They look really cool. They have their traditional patterns, which are like marble, wood, black, and a bunch of other colors. But here I'm going to show you collaborations, or one of the collaborations which they have, and they do a lot, maybe with like brands called Rifle, the artist Basquiat, but this is a different artist, and this one here is my favorite. This is Corkcicle with Keith Haring. Now this one comes with a matte finish, all red in the back with a red cap, but this black art on it with white logo. I think this one looks really, really cool. If you didn't know, this is kind of the coffee or water mug. It'll keep things hot or it'll keep things cold. This is what it looks like inside, and you can see that these have a vacuum inside here to keep things, hot or cold. This one is by far my favorite. And if you're curious, you can either get these on Corkcicle's website or you can come here to the store, TMC, and they go for $50. Now these are a little bit more than their non-collaborative, designs, but this is just a cool looking one. Another one that they have from Keith Haring is this. This has a shine to it, and you can see this as a white base with a lot of colors, a white cap, and I like the finish on here. I like the shine more than anything. I like that you can actually feel the patterns in here when you run your fingers over it. I'm not the biggest fan of white as a backing here because I go for like a lot of blacks and grays in my wardrobe, but this just feels nice. It feels crisp. You can keep this clean. Hey, this is going to be a really nice water cup or coffee mug, and this is just something that you can use every day. Again, this is their collaboration, which they do with many companies. This one goes for $50. The water bottles in the same style, they also go for $52. So just give it a try. Again, it's available on Corkcicle's website or here at TMC, where we have a ton of other styles, but I thought this would be interesting because this is what I find interesting here. All right, here's a quick look at it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.